The unprecedented demand for AI is transforming data centers, requiring more power and more density, with zero room for error. And although capacity is scaling fast, expertise isn't keeping pace. Human error remains a leading cause of downtime, putting SLAs and revenue at risk. That's why data center operators rely on EcoCare Services, combining AI-powered condition-based maintenance with 24/7 expert monitoring. EcoCare detects risks early and intervenes quickly and effectively to keep your operations online. EcoCare enables decisions based on real systems conditions, helping lower operational risk and unnecessary interventions. EcoCare covers LV and MV, electrical distribution, UPS, cooling, power, and building management systems, all with cybersecurity embedded by design. The result? More uptime, compliance, and reliability. Smarter maintenance and scheduling with less guesswork and lower OpEx. Longer asset life and better CapEx planning. EcoCare also includes swift support and exclusive benefits such as advanced technical support, break fix, tailored success plans, discounts on training, spare parts, and on-site services. And it's all backed by more than 6,000 asset performance management experts and certified partners, and 300 in-house AI engineers optimizing your systems every day. EcoCare Services, built for uptime, efficiency, and peace of mind in the new era of AI-driven data centers, powered by your trusted energy tech partner.